Good afternoon to all of you, my dear beautiful video viewers. How have you been? I hope that you are fine and dandy by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I'm super great because right now I'm standing beside this main road. As you can see, this is Bakorerhat to Doldolia main road. Today I'm standing beside this road in order to make English video. That's why I'm standing here side by side. Today I want to share with you why English is very hard language for us. I have seen many English learners, they practice their English for 1 month or 2 months. After 2 months they don't practice their English every single day. That's why they tell me, hey brother, I cannot English properly. Why I can't English properly? Because they don't practice their English every single day. Side by side, you know that English is not our mother tongue. English is a foreign language. That's why we can't English properly. If you want to learn English and if you want to be a fluent speaker, you have to practice English every single day. There is no alternative way to learn English without practice. That's why every day, whenever you will stay in your field, wherever you will go, you try to practice every single day. Then you can good speaker in your village. If you do not practice every single day, you will not be able to learn English quickly. You will not be able to improve yourself without practice. Side by side, many students, they don't practice their English regularly. They don't make English video regularly. They don't focus on their goal. That's why they can't English properly. If you want, you have to more practice every single day, everywhere. It will help you to learn English quickly. It will help you to improve yourself. You know that I have been learning English last 1 year. At present, I'm being able to improve myself and I'm being able to practice my English everywhere. Right now, I'm standing beside this main road. As you can see, many people they are going at the same time. They are seeing my camera and they are seeing my face. It doesn't matter. You know that I'm English learner. That's why every day I try to go new place for make English video. Side by side, yeah, it's very easy language for me. I have been learning English last 1 year. For that, I'm being able to improve my speaking skill day by day. If you want to learn English, you have to give at least 6 months or 8 months to learn English. That's why you have to practice English every single day. If you are beginner and if you want to be a fluent speaker in your village, you can practice English every single day in front of your camera, in public place. It will help you to improve yourself. That's why every day you try to work hard, every day you try to practice, and whenever you will free, you try to practice your English every single day. There is no easy way to learn English without more practice. Like me, you can practice your English every single day. You can make English video in front of your camera. It doesn't matter if you stay in your village. It doesn't matter if you stay in your city. It doesn't matter. You try to practice every day and every moment. Then you can good speaker in your village. Like me, you can make English video in public place. If you feel shy, you will not be able to improve yourself. You will not be able to learn English quickly without practice. That's why you first of all you have to remove your shyness. You have to remove your mouth hesitation. Then you can practice your English every single day. For that, when you will be free, you try to practice in front of your camera in public place. It will help you to improve yourself. That's why at present I'm practicing my English. At present I'm being able to improve my speaking skill. It is so important for me. You know that I'm very busy with my daily activities and I don't have enough time for go outside for make English video. And right now I'm going my elder brother's house. That time I thought I will come in this place and I will make English video. Like this you can practice your English every single day. See you next video. Stay safe, stay your home. Best luck for everyone.